Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a review on the Hansen Hard as Nails Xtreme Wear nail polish. I have been using this nail polish for quite some time now. It's been probably a couple years that I've had this actual color, and it hasn't dried out, which is really cool. I usually use mainly the top coat with any other nail polish that I have just because I just think it works really well. The description on the website says that it offers extreme strength and shine. It has an easy grip, easy glide brush designed for complete control. It's fun, trendy. It has fun and trendy shades. It's available in 30 shades, which actually I don't think that's really a lot for nail polish. I think that they could do a lot more colors than that. I mean, the color possibilities could be endless for nail polish. And then it says that it has long-lasting color, it's chip-resistant, fade-resistant, and waterproof. Okay, so I have this in the color Babe Blue, number 459. Like I said, I've had this for quite some time. It's just a typical, I think, size bottle. It's maybe a little bit longer and a little bit thinner than your other typical nail polish bottles. Compared to like a coffee mug, that's about the size of it. So yeah, it is a pretty easy grip, I think, because it's small but it's round. I do prefer the round ones over like the square bottles. I think it's just a little bit easier to grip that. You can get this pretty much anywhere. It does have a very it's kind of hard to open, very small brush. So that means that you do have to do quite a few strokes for it to get it to cover your entire nail. And sometimes I have to do a double dip to get it back just to finish one nail, which is sometimes a little annoying. But overall, like I said, I mainly use this specific one in the top coat rather than an actual color. I think this is the only actual color that I have in the Hard as Nails Xtreme Wear collection of this nail polish. So yeah, I'm gonna do just a little demonstration of it on one of my nails, just so that I can show you how many coats it takes. This one is not super pigmented, so I have to do, as you can already tell, I have to do a couple of coats. It doesn't dry super fast like other ones in Sally Hansen, like other collections that Sally Hansen has. So yeah, just to show you what that kind of looks like. It's a little bit streaky and a little clumpy. So it could just be because I've had it for a while, but like I said, it's not one that I actually really use for colors. I just really like the top coat though. That works really well, and it does, I think, make my nail polish last a lot longer. I will say that when I use the top coat or when I use this one, it doesn't chip, and it says that you're supposed to be able to wear it for 10 days and it'll still look good, and I would say that that's actually pretty true. I do wear it for a while without it chipping or anything like that. The only thing is that I do have to wait a while for it to dry when I use this and the top coat. If I just use the top coat over another nail polish that's meant to dry faster, then it does dry faster, but this one itself does take a little bit of a while to dry. So yeah, and the product is made in the USA. I really love this color, by the way. It's kind of got, I don't know if you can really see it in the video, but it's kind of shimmery, which I like. It's not just a solid baby blue color. I will say I do also get a lot of compliments when I wear this specific color. I think that this light blue and these pastel colors are very in right now. So like I said, this is Babe Blue, so if you wanted to get that, there you go. Yeah, and then obviously most nail polishes don't come in a box or anything, so it doesn't come in a box. It comes just like this. actually just comes just like this. It doesn't even come with like a sealed wrap around the top or anything like other ones do, which I don't really like too much, just because you never know if you get it at like a department store like Walmart or something, who opened it and who tried it out. Like, anyone could have done that, so you might not be getting quite as much product as you should. So I do wish that it had kind of like a sealed wrap, so that I know that what I'm purchasing is brand new and no one else has used it. But yeah, overall though, I don't think I would, like I said, I'm not going to probably get this in any other colors. It does work like it says it does, in that it lasts a while and it doesn't chip easily, but I think I'll probably just continue to stick to the top coat. The top coat is not as dry. It's more liquidy. Like, as soon as you like take it out, it starts dripping. I don't know if you can like tell. So it's more liquidy, it's a little bit waterier, which I actually like in a top coat, because then that just makes it a little bit easier to apply, I feel like. But yeah, I would definitely recommend the top coat from this collection to put over any other nail polish that you're wearing, no matter what. Unless it's a gel nail polish, then you want to get a different top coat. But overall, it is a pretty good nail polish. It does work like it says that it should. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching.